Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update payment method on Netflix. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app on your phone or tablet, or go to Netflix.com in a web browser on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet so the account page can load without errors. Sign into your Netflix account using the correct email and password. If you share the account, confirm you are using the main account owner's login details. After signing in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click or tap the profile icon to open the account menu. Select Account to enter the settings page for your subscription. On the account page, scroll down until you see the section called Membership and Billing. In Membership and Billing, find the option that says Manage Payment Info or Update Payment Method. Click or tap that option to open the payment settings screen. If Netflix asks you to re-enter your password, type it in to confirm it is really you. Now review your current payment method so you know what will be replaced. Choose your preferred new payment type, such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or a gift code if available in your country. If you select a card, carefully enter the card number exactly as it appears on the card. Enter the expiration date and make sure the month and year are correct. Type the security code, CVV, from your card, usually found on the back of the card. Fill in the first name and last name that match your card or billing account. Enter your billing address details if Netflix requests them for verification. Double-check all numbers and spelling to avoid a payment failure. If you select PayPal, choose Continue to PayPal and log into your PayPal account. Confirm the billing agreement in PayPal and return to Netflix when prompted. If you want to use a Netflix gift code, select Redeem Gift Code and type the code exactly. Before saving, confirm the new method is the one you want Netflix to charge for the next billing date. Click or tap Save, Update, or Start Membership depending on what Netflix shows on your screen. Wait a few seconds for the confirmation message that your payment method has been updated. Go back to the account page and check Membership and Billing to confirm the new method is listed. If you see an error, recheck your details, try another browser, or contact your bank for authorization. For extra security, sign out of Netflix if you used a public or shared device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.